Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide number in Samsung outgoing calls. We start by entering the phone app. Then, click on the three upper points and enter Settings. Here we will scroll and enter the Supplementary Services option. Next, click on Show Your Caller ID and we can choose to set it to Never to hide it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.